When I first had the pain, and it was so strong, I was pretty much living on my floor except to go to the bathroom and then to force myself to go to work. I couldn't even get in my bed. I felt like I lost everything, and not being able to work, then it wasn't just the fun things, it was my means to live. I was receiving spinal epidural injections and the fentanyl patch that this changed, and I could go out once again and sit and talk and be around my friends. But my life was based on the patch. If I didn't have a new patch on, I didn't make plans. Or if I had made plans, which I did often, I'd have to back out of them because I physically wasn't able to do it. I'd have one good day out of 3. And it was kind of based on the patch. I lived around the patch. It actually gave me a chance to have a bit of a life at first. It did help in the beginning. I just didn't see when that turned on me. Well, in the beginning, the reduction in pain and how it happened really did help. Somewhere along the line it switched, and the patch was affecting me so much. I didn't understand it. I didn't know what it could do, that my body could become addicted to it, even though my mind wasn't. But I don't think anything could have been worse for me than the last couple of years and not having a life. I think they need to really ask questions of the patient, because I didn't know. And if I'd had somebody, if there had been more conversation, I don't think I would have been on the patch as long. I've been trying to get off it for 2 years and was afraid. I didn't know how to do it, and I wasn't getting help until Dr. Iwu, Krista, and Sarah. So there are so many other ways of dealing with pain. I've been through the pain program. There's a wonderful pain support group at Essentia, and it's all positive. It's wonderful being amongst people that may not be going through the exact same thing, but you can relate to their stories. The first one I went to, I cried. I didn't realize anybody felt the same way. I was empowered. It was our journey together. It was happening to me. I wasn't told what to do. It was discussed. Was I comfortable with it? And I felt very empowered by that. You have a tool belt, and you use the tools that you need at the time, be it the pain support group, be it going through the pain program and finding positive ways of not allowing the pain to rule your life. The pain was the same, but the pain wasn't ruling me. And that's key. And I think when you don't allow the pain to rule you, you don't, I shouldn't say feel it as much, but you learn to live with it. You learn to live with it. To have my life back is so much more important. I didn't have a life, and I can deal with the pain. I will deal with the pain. I see a bright future, and anybody can have it.